Hi everyone, welcome back to our maths class. Are you going on well? Okay, very good. In the last class we discussed some practical problems based on the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Today also we are going to continue the activities. Let's go to our today's session. See the first question. PTA bought 840 laddus for the Independence Day celebrations. The number of students in the first standard is 89, second standard 93, third standard 87, fourth standard 98 and in the fifth standard 102. If one laddu is given to each student, find the number of laddus left. How many laddus are there in total? Yes, total number of laddus equals 840. Next, we have to find out the total number of students. For that, we have to add the number of students in the first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard and in the fifth standard. That is 102 plus 98 plus 87 plus 93 plus 89. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 9, 29. Write 9 here to carry over. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 9, 28, 28 plus 8, 36. Write 6 here, 3 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. So, total number of students equals 469. Next, we have to find out the number of laddus left. For that, subtract 469 from 840. You know, we can't subtract 9 from 0. So, we have to borrow 110 from 4 tens. Then, 0 becomes 10 and 4 becomes 3. 10 minus 9, 1. Then, 3 becomes 13. And 8 becomes 7. 13 minus 6, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So, number of laddus left equals 371. Children, listen to this question. Find the number of laddus needed more to distribute 2 laddus each to every student. You know, total number of students are 469. If one laddu is given to each student, we need only 469 laddus. If 2 laddus are given to each student, we need double of 469. That is 469 plus 469. 9 plus 9, 18. Right? 8 here, 1 carry over. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Right? 3 here, 1 carry over. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So, laddus needed to give 2 each equals 938. Then we have to find out number of more laddus needed. You know, already we have 840 laddus. So, to find out number of more laddus needed, subtract 840 from 938. 8 minus 0, 8. Then 3 becomes 13 and 9 becomes 8. 13 minus 4, 9. 8 minus 8, 0. So, number of more laddus needed equals 98. Let's do the next question. In a UP school, the number of students in the LP section is 292 and 345 in the UP section. Among them, 349 are boys. Find the number of girls in the school. Who are more in number, boys or girls? By how much? First, we have to find out the total number of students. For that, we have to add number of students in the LP section with number of students in the UP section. That is 292 plus 345. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 4, 13. write 3 here, 1 carry over. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So total number of students equals 637. You know, among them 349 are boys. So number of boys equals 349. Then we have to find out the number of girls. For that we have to subtract number of boys from total students. That is 637 minus 349. Here 7 becomes 17 and 3 becomes 2. 17 minus 9, 8. Then 2 becomes 12 and 6 becomes 5. 12 minus 4, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. So number of girls equals 288. See children, who are more in number, boys or girls? Yes, very good. Boys are more in number. Next, we have to find out number of more boys than girls. For that, subtract number of girls from number of boys. That is 349 minus 288. 9 minus 8, 1. Here 4 becomes 14 and 3 becomes 2. 14 minus 8, 6. 2 minus 2, 0. So number of more boys equals 61. Let's go to the next activity, love. Here you can see numbers from 0 to 9 and their corresponding letters. And also some instructions are given. Let's do according to the instructions. First instruction is write a 3-digit number without repeating the digits and without 0. That means we can use one digit only once in a 3-digit number and don't use 0. Can you say a 3-digit number without repeating the digits and without 0? Yes, 345. Next, write this number in the reverse order. That is 543. Next, subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. That is 543 minus 345. Here 3 becomes 13 and 4 becomes 3. 13 minus 5, 8. Then 3 becomes 13 and 5 becomes 4. 13 minus 4, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. That is 198. Next, write the answer you got in the reverse order. That is 891. Next, add this reversed number to the above answer. That is 891 plus 198. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Write 8 here, 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. That is 1089. Last instruction is try to write the letters according to the digits of the last number. Which is the last number we got? Yes, 1089. So, write the corresponding letters according to the digits of the last number given. See children, which is the corresponding letter of 1? Yes, L. Which is the corresponding letter of 0? O. Which is the corresponding letter of 8? V. Which is the corresponding letter of 9? Yes, E. Which is the word we got? Yes, love. You should try to do like this using other numbers. I hope you all understood today's class very well. You should do this exercise question in your textbook. Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.